Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see the map of a property on the Caesar Rewards application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the stay button down below, which is the second option. Tap on book a room, select your destination, select the hotel or resort, then scroll down until you find the see a map of the property option in the middle of the screen on the right side. Tap on it and here you can see the map of the hotel and the whole property. As you scroll down you can browse and get the directions, check out bunch of options. Here you can check out coffee, bars, ATMs, lounges and so on. So here you can find them on the map and you can get the directions as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.